Hello pelok pajor kublai biang pisai sian apa keneka channel ke jongi tementang adon bad YouTuber banapo Mizoram Thomas bad way YouTuber napo Nagaland tementa ngidon Jadoh hangne hado lai plate marshi plate no bad ki Tungrymbai ki Tungtab don so ki do jam ki muli ki do sniang bad kebakong sane ngidon ye ki sok mungkin ki pasat ha no spicy one, right? We have a lot of green chili and red chili at the same time, and also we have salad mo kumba piteb long ni khasi eat bhau ne salad ni dan pudina te lada ni soba kala jia kala sat palat ni la bandi kini ka amul taza ban pelai kini berot te kumba kau pika dei ka challenge kalong ka pasutnat bhana mar ni dan du Nagaland, Mizo, Meghalaya. Who will win? Just check the video. Tentang ini sedang no ngila ya bat mar iwe ija kumba piwi bat kini ki do ki jingta e ki don ne bat ki so mungkin ne salad e te mentang ini sedang no bat kalong kai busnat. What do you think, brother?
I'm ready
awesome.
to eat.
I'm also excited. Yeah, but before we get started with the video, I would like to tell this, like, you know, make sure you subscribe to his channel. The link is in the description. What is the exact name, brother?
My channel name is Guilui Panmai.
Yeah, it's there in description, and especially to Thomas T Lion T, make sure you subscribe it right now before you watch this video. So okay, guys, without further ado, let's start with the video. Yeah. Who will win? Let's just and you know, as you know, I'm very good in chili and all. So
No. You know what? The time will show who will win. Right?
Don't forget me, man.
he's very what should we say, like very thin and small, but you know when it comes into chili, I think he's the star.
Okay, let me give him one name, okay?
Yeah.
His name should be King Chili.
King Chili.
Hey,
Yeah.
What,
And what about your name, man?
My name Chili.
Yeah, green chili.
Green Chili.
Green chili is here.
Bro, even me, I'm green, bro.
Yeah. The proposal thing ya. Stang na. 1,
I forgot my count, bro.
yeah, 3,
4,
1 for
5,
you,
6,
1
7,
for you, 9, 10.
We have
Yeah.
10 green chilies here
9.
and 1 red chilies here.
Guys, I'm not lying, okay? I took 10 chilies.
So should we start now?
Yeah, bro.
Let's go, man. Yeah, buddy.
Yo, guys, I'm going to take my first spoon of this chili challenge.
Me also. Aha. By the way, this is Jadoh local food, Khasi food, right?
Yeah.
One
And I'm going to
finish.
take my first chili.
Ah.
Bro,
One done, man.
Show your first chili, man.
where's the first chili?
Yeah. Here.
I'll take the
Done.
Tungrymbai.
And here 2 more.
No.
Oh, Tungtab is very good, man. Just check it out.
Tungtap. And this is Tungtap, yeah.
Yeah.
One which I'm going to eat right now.
Tungtab, man.
So this is tumtab. It's made
Yeah.
with tumtab, I don't know. But it's very hot.
Yeah.
It looks like this.
Yeah.
Ah, I can feel the hotness from now.
This is salad.
Oh, man. 3. This will be 3.
Oh, you already 3 or what?
Yeah.
How come, man?
This is going to be my second. I'm not lying. I told you he's going to win, bro.
Man.
This is third.
No. Why do you say that, man? Come on. You take this Tungtab and all, no, brother. Tungrymbai. And Muli is there. Oh, where's the camera? Unclear. Muli. Hey, brother, Muli also is there. Yeah.
Hey, bro. This is going to be my third chili, okay? And my face.
Last time he told me like he's very good in chili, but now he's about to cry. He finished just 2 only, 3 only. Hey, bro, I think your face will become red, man. See this guy over here? Still
4.
continuing. Yeah.
He's still got
4. Oh my god. Let's do it.
I think so. I need to go ahead and have salad. This one.
Yeah.
Mm.
And what is this?
I have
This is
eaten 4 green chilies.
Yeah. What is this? This is a bush, right?
In here, I'm taking.
No! God, please, no! No!
Guys, again, this is going to be my 4th chili. Can you see how long it is? I'm going to take it in one bite.
And this is going to be my 5 for my 5th time. 5 green chili.
Oh. Brother, you can take a salad, man.
Yeah.
Salad.
Now let's show to the camera. Sit properly, no? Enjoy, way, man.
But this one is very hot.
Oh, what is that?
Yeah.
What do you want to do? What do you do? Bring it in the spoon.
I think. What do you want to do?
Oh, shit, I do one.
Who's the everything now? 4. This is 5 and 6.
Take a bro.
7.
Oh my god. This is pop.
Okay.
I love Khasi food, bro. Khasi food is awesome.
I prefer this more.
Now I'm going to take the boost.
Pudina.
Pudina, babu. But it's good, man.
Good. The one, huh?
Which smells super fresh, right?
Yeah, fresh.
Like a mint, you know?
I feel good after taking the pudina, after taking the chili, no? Like it can control.
What's this one?
Is it only, bro? Only.
It's already 8.
Okay. I'm going to say 2 chili skills. Parents are advisory, do not do this at home. See, 2 chilies. You want to try chili?
Show your skill, bro. Come on, man.
Yeah.
My stomach. Is very...
Okay, so
Show your skill.
you guys eat 1 green chili and this 1 red chili, right?
Yeah.
And I'll eat 2 green chilies. And I'll eat this green chili again. Okay, I'm going to eat 2 green chilies.
One bro. One bro.
1 red chili. 1 mouth.
Our challenger.
Done.
Bro. He finished all his chili. And I still have 4 chilies here.
I think he will take more. If you take more, he's the winner.
Yeah. We're still waiting now. Now I'm scratching my head. This one you should never underestimate anyone. Before we make this video, I told Mandong that I can eat chili. Now I regret, bro. Nagas will be always liking hot chilies.
I'm still now smiling, man. Hey.
Oh my god.
I have 3 more left, man.
I have 4 left. What about the red chili?
4. Red chili, I still have red chili.
Oh damn, that is the hottest one, bro. It's going to be my 6th chili now.
I have the skill of eating this leaf salad. My one is left.
2 chilies with the meatball.
I have 1 more left, brother.
I'm done with 10 chilies, including the red one, it's 11.
I finished 10. You finished 11.
11. It's
And
going to
you?
be my 12.
12.
12. Let's see who will win.
13.
13.
12.
This one will help me a lot.
I think I'm going to give up, man.
What was this, sir?
14.
I think I'm going to give up now.
14. 14. And 15.
He's a legend, bro.
Breathe in, breathe out. Come on, man. Breathe in, breathe out. See this guy. There's no problem with him. Fast. Both of us. See this guy. Me too, I'm still okay for now. How many?
It's 15.
15. Oh shit. 12, 10. At least I should reach 12 with this guy. Draw.
I'm going more now.
Who is the winner?
One
Panmay. Nagaland win. Mizoram and Meghalaya lost the match. How many bro you finish?
16.
16.
Yeah, 16 green chilies.
Green chili and one
chili.
red chili. For me I finish only 12 green chili. No red chili.
No red chili.
And what about that guy?
I think
12 green chili and 1 red chili.
Yeah.
I'm the last one. Shit. I think I have to push up 20 times since I'm the loser. Ceperlok padang idang sudah balik ka challenge. Ba namar nila de ba miki jing ba masat nto.
Give me, let me do for you.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's too much, man.
There's no much.
It's okay, no?
Na long yelde nga sa ba mi sing
I think there's too much.
malu
You'll get headache, man.
ba tempo ba kwar.
No.
Khnang ban light ni kini ki jing su ko e mo len hing ala ban ong lose motion e. Ta piru anda pila ba mi ki jing ba masat pila ban ba mi ni.
And a little bit of salt.
Ta shwa bangan pukot nga kwa ban piso pa subscribe ka channel jong u ka dan po link description bat jong Thomas ni brother. Sibun ki video ki ban wan nang nis kman. Te tang tai kuble sibun ngin skendu pat ha ko ik po.